So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about PayPal Holdings Inc. And if you look at the movement of the stock, so anything that is related to technology, whether it is driven by technology or directly a technology, whether services or AI or robotics, anything, the stocks are moving in a rapid pace. But we need to be a bit rational and think accordingly that when you're looking at the share price, there is a gravity which is pulling the stock on the upside and the same pulling it down. And the faster the stocks move on the upside, it has the same pace or probably much faster as it comes down. So you need to think about that and think in the same way that, let's say, speaking practically, let's say the current move from the lows of March leads to share price at a high of 155 odd percent. Okay, that's one thing, but you should not ignore about the corrections. Okay, because technically and in any normal situation, a 155% move in any stock doesn't sound very often when you're talking about developed markets or big markets, because that's a big move. Okay, and we are talking not talking about any small company, we are talking about PayPal. It's been there. So these kind of moves are not very logical in normal market conditions, but we have conditions where things are flowing in the air, so valuation doesn't matter if you have good profit levels. So in that case, if the stocks moves up very rapidly on the upside, there is a high possibility that it does move on the downside. So you think accordingly. And in this trend, what has happened, the stock moves like as told you that 150% of the upside and made a high or a resistance at 215 odd dollars. Now the next support will probably come at around 161 odd dollars, and this highlighted zone, this triangle sort of zone, will now become your consolidation zone or correction zone, whatever you can or you want to say. Okay, so till the stock price exists in between, it can be called as consolidation. So you know your support and you know your resistance. So let the stock decide where does it want to go. Because one thing you should also understand is this, that if the stock falls below 161 or below this line, what you could probably see will be a range in between 141 to 161 dollars, because and this is also a range, support range in between 161 to 185 dollars. This is also possible. So that's why I'm saying that it has risen up and now correcting down, and we are looking at the weekly chart, so probably it will take some time. But the risk is, the way the stock is moving up, the same thing can happen on the downside. And let's say how the things shapes up, and let's see that. And there is also a possibility that stock may again start rising, because anyhow it's an uptrending chart pattern. So if you look at the overall chart pattern, what we could probably see here is this, that there is an upside. Okay, so this is an upside, this is a consolidation, this is again upside. So this is actually a breakout which has happened, and which will probably leads the stock, let me tell you. So the length of this zone is 83 odd percent. You can see the same thing on the upside, which leads this stock to 283 odd dollars. So there is a possibility for this as well, because this is a big uptrend which has started in 2020 itself. If you consider this zone as a consolidate, so this is also a consolidating zone, but this is a bit positive because it has swings where the lows are flat, or you can say the higher lows, and we have higher highs as well. Now this is the zone, so the consolidation or correction zone does exist in between, and once the breakout happens on the upside or above 215, so we have $283 on the upside, but there is a sharp correction which is also possible and leads to the price towards 160, 140 to 160 odd dollars. So these are two positive as well as negative streams which you need to look at, and this is a long term chart, so you should think and act accordingly in the long term, and don't think that it will happen. If it does happen in probably a month, then it's a different case, but it will take some time, and think accordingly and act accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.